Going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon, back with another one. I don't think enough people talk about cleaning, especially on back windows. So I'm going to show you guys my procedure of cleaning a back window. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scrub it first with the scrubby on a stick, not to be confused with jalapeno on a stick. Okay, then I'm going to come back with my Safe Prep from Gasket Pro, and I'm going to swipe that way, and I'm going to swipe that way, and everything else I'm going to swipe down. Okay, same thing with this side. Okay, we're going to wet the window again, and we're going to squeegee it. Start at the top. I usually make one pass like that, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to push everything else to the other side, like so, like so, like so. And then I'm going to get my bulldozer. This is my cleaning bulldozer, that's all I use it for. I'm going to push down, pull over, push down, pull over. Then I'm just going to push down when I get out from behind that deck. Okay, then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to push everything down. Push down, over, push down. Okay. Same thing with this side. Push everything down. And then, right before I get ready to tint it, I'm going to wash the sides down. I'm going to wash the bottom down. Okay. Wash this side down. Then I'm going to take my gel and I'm going to spray it around the top. And then around the sides. And that's it. Now I'll wet the window and I'm ready to install. Hope this helps, guys. Peace.